Our gardens are filled with creatures of all shapes and sizes, but we often overlook the tiniest ones. Bugs. These little critters play a vital role in maintaining a healthy garden. Many are pollinators, while others help break down organic matter or keep pests in check. Creating your own bug hotel is a simple and rewarding way to support these beneficial noo-noos, and it's a fun, hands-on activity for all ages. For my bug hotel, I'm using a terracotta pot, natural fillers such as pine cones and pine needles, or straw, dry twigs, dry leaves, or bark chips. You can also add smaller timber offcuts. Just make sure they're untreated. Broken pot crocks also work well. Start by layering the materials into your pot, beginning with the larger materials like your pine cone. Then continue filling the gaps with smaller items, poking them until the pot is tightly packed. Insects thrive in environments full of nooks and crannies. They don't need space like we do. Once filled, place your bug hotel on its side in a quiet, undisturbed corner of the garden. Even better if you can find a spot that already shows signs of insect activity, like the base of a tree where leaves tend to gather. Ideally, choose a location that doesn't get full-day sun, as the bugs will appreciate a cool, shaded spot that mimics their natural habitat, preferably with a bit of moisture. So, next time you're in the garden, take a moment to appreciate the little creatures hard at work behind the scenes. Head to your local GCA garden centre for all your gardening supplies, excluding the bugs, or visit lifeasagarden.co.za to locate a store near you.